two, one. Action. Imagine being asked to come to this God-forsaken place. And then, when you think you are appreciated, the only thing you can end up with is hurt, disappointment, and anger, because you can't really punch people every time you really feel like doing it as you go along. Can you imagine how inside feel like you put something in there like the samurai and screw it round? Just imagine that. I leave you with that for now. That's my startup bit. Where's everybody? What's going on?
You want to continue?
I come from a place of anger. Can you hear me?
We can hear you loud and clear.
I come from a place that is anger. I am angry. I was born here in 1963, and my childhood was very, very, very challenging. And I'm angry. I'm hurt too, but anger is a thing that I've always heard from people. She's so angry. Yeah, I'm fucking angry. Trigger alert. I'm a fucking angry bitch. I'm angry. I heard it. I saw it. I saw the black and white pictures. More than I saw the pictures of Biafra, I saw the black and white pictures of people arriving here in this cold. I felt a cold climate. The cold was enough for the anger. It lights and fires my spirit. Because I then went on to experience cold because my parents farmed us out. So we were raised in the white communities in rural England for most of our childhood. And I saw things that no child should ever see or hear. Every day, my breakfast was nigger, pull the trigger, bang, bang, bang. Are you all white? Oh, what's the matter? Don't worry, you'll be all white in the morning. We'll give you a bowl of cornflakes. And they called me and my twin sister from year 1 day and year 2 day to Judy and Wendy. Cadbury's take them and they cover them in chocolate. And they gave me tablets and said, because you went to bed. It's a paedophile. And my genitals were feticide. And I'm angry. And I remember the Windrush. I remember the cold, harsh, starkness of the faces, the beauty, the warmth of the faces in the forefront of that background. I remember.
But that's not where I started. That's not where I started. As I trotted down the road to see Mobunto and Mas George. Bonjour! Bonjour! Mas George, bonjour! Ça qu'a fait? Ça qu'a maman tout? Oui. Maman bien, merci. Ça qu'a tout? Moi qu'a aller à l'école. Moi qu'a ouais l'autre jour. I started with love. I started with joy.
Imagine being denied. Denied by people you love. Denied by people that you've sacrificed and rebuilt the whole country. It is your home. Home where you need to be secured and prepared and protected. But they abandoned you. They denied you their health care, their job, and denied by pension. You are denied by them. And at the end, you have nothing left, even though you have sacrificed so many things. You are denied. The end.
And
So just hold it there. Just hold it there.